Self-obsessed 10-in-1 Masculinity Maximizer View. Testosterone or fake hype? Testosterone in a bottle or just another overpriced hype pill? Let's break down the self-obsessed 10-in-1 Masculinity Maximizer and see if it's worth your wallet or your hormones. This supplement promises to boost testosterone, energy, libido, and focus, all in just 30 days. But does the label match the science? Here's what you're actually getting in each serving and what the science says. Shilajit, great for energy and cell health. Tongkat Ali, solid testosterone support. Fadogia agrestis, promising but under-researched. Ashwagandha and fenugreek, underdosed. Tribulus, weak evidence, and zinc and boron, which is helpful if you're deficient. At $89.99, you're paying for style but not necessarily substance. Many ingredients are underdosed and there's no mention of standardized extracts. Self Obsessed looks alpha on the outside, but inside it's a mixed bag. If you want real testosterone support, look for better dose stacks with clinical backing.